Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Marathi writing. Today we will see Marathi Pahili Vilanti or Rasva Vilanti with sound, spellings and words. So let's see how to write all these alphabets. This is a Marathi Varnamala or Marathi alphabets. There are 14 vowels or swar and 36 Vyanjane or consonants. This is a major difference between Vyanjane and Akshare. Vyanjane are incomplete, so Akshare are complete. Let's see how to make E sound words or Pahili Vilanti words. For that we need E swar or vowel and one consonant. Then we get Pahili or Rasva Vilanti words. Here it is E and this is a Pahili Vilanti for E sound. It's called in Marathi Rasva or Pahili Vilanti or Velanti. In English, we are using generally I letter for E sound words. Now let's see how to make E sound or Pahili Vilanti or Rasva Vilanti words. Here it is K plus E is equal to ki. Please observe both Marathi and English letters. K plus E is equal to ki. G plus E is equal to gi. Gh plus E equal to ghi. Same like that chi, chi, ji, jhi, ti, thi, di, dhi, ni, ti, thi, di, dhi, ni, pi, phi, bi, bhi, mi, I, ri, li, vi, shi, si, li, hi, ri, kshi, ni, like that. Here you can observe Marathi and English spellings. That will more helpful for you. Now let's see how to write Pahili or Rasva Vilanti letters and its words. Let's see how to draw Pahili or Rasva Vilanti. Pahili or Rasva Vilanti always draw before the letter. That's why you need to draw first letter and then draw Pahili Vilanti like this. Big standing line and one down half circle top of the letter. This called Pahili Vilanti or Rasva Vilanti and its phonic sound also very short like a E. Now we will draw all Marathi alphabets with Pahili Vilanti. Let's start with K. First draw big standing line and at the middle of this standing line draw two half circle opposite to each other like that. This is a K. Pahili Vilanti like that, standing line and down half circle on the head and big horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called ki. Observe both and English letters also. In English we are using I, Marathi, Pahili or Rasva Vilanti. Now we will draw ki. One small half circle joined to big half circle and one standing line, and at the middle of the standing line there is a one half circle and Pahili Vilanti like that. It's called ki. Its word is khichdi. Observe both English and Marathi alphabets how to use ki both words. Next is a gi. First draw big curve, standing curve line and at the end there is a circle, and next to that draw big standing line and now draw Pahili Vilanti like that, standing line and down half circle and horizontal line on the top. It's called gi. Word is a Gita. Gita, Gita in English. Now we will draw ghi. One half circle join another half circle join to big standing line and now draw Pahili Vilanti or Rasva Vilanti like that and horizontal line on the top. Using word is vaghino. Let's see chi. Small horizontal line join to upward half circle and join to big standing line. Now draw Pahili Vilanti or Rasva Vilanti like that, standing line and down half circle and horizontal line on the top. It's called chi. Word is chi mana. Next letter is chi. Small half circle join to big half circle up to top, and on the top there is a one small circle joined to one standing or vertical line. And now draw Pahili Vilanti like that, standing line and down half circle, horizontal line on the top. It's called chi. Using word is chi chi. This is a Marathi word. Next is a G. First draw upward half circle join to horizontal line and join to big vertical line, it's called Z. And now we will draw पहिली or ह्रस्व विलांटी like that, standing line and down half circle like that, and horizontal line on the top, and word is G, za, u. Next letter is G. First draw Z, one vertical line, small vertical line, join S, and at the end make a twist like that, it's called E. And at the middle of E there is a small horizontal line join to big vertical line, it's called Z. Now we will draw पहिली विलांटी means standing line and down half circle and horizontal line on the top of the letter, it's called Z. Word is zip. Next letter is T. First draw small vertical line join half circle like that, it's called T. Now we will draw पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी like that, vertical line and down half circle like this, and big horizontal line on the top of the letter, it's called T. Word is T, R, K. Now let's draw T. First draw small vertical line join big circle of that line, it's called Th. Now Th's for पहिली विलांटी is big vertical line and down half circle on the top, and big horizontal line on the top of the head of that letter, it's called Thi. Thi, Thi. Next letter is D. First draw small vertical line and join S, it's called D. Now we will draw पहिली विलांटी means big vertical line and down half circle on the top and horizontal line on the head, it's called D. Its word is dish, D-I-S-H, dish. Next letter is D. Again small vertical line join big half circle, and inside that half circle at the end small circle like this, it's called dh. Dh and पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी means vertical line and down half circle and horizontal line on the top of the letter, it's called dhi. Its spelling is D-H-I, dhi. Now we will draw hni. First we will draw half oval shaped circle, and next to it we will draw big vertical line, it's called n. Now we will draw पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी vertical line and half circle on the top and horizontal line on the head, it's called hni. Word is manika. Next letter is T. First draw big vertical line and at the middle there is a horizontal line and downside vertical line, it's called T. Now पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी, big vertical line and downsided half circle on the top and horizontal line on the head, it's called Ti. Word is Tira. Next letter is Thi. First draw Th. One small circle join to half circle and again draw big half circle join to big vertical line, it's called Th. Now draw पहिली विलांटी means big vertical line and downsided half circle on the top and big horizontal line on the head, it's called Thi. Its word is think. Next letter is D. First draw small vertical line, then draw big half circle, draw small tail like this, it's called the. Now let's draw पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी means big vertical line and downsided half circle on the top, horizontal line on the head, it's called the. Its word is deep. Now let's draw the. First draw small circle, join half circle, again join half circle and join to big vertical line, it's called the. Now let's draw पहिली विलांटी means big vertical line and downside half circle and horizontal line on the top, it's called the. Its word is dhiraj. Now next letter is ni. First draw small circle join to horizontal line and draw vertical line, it's called na. Now let's draw पहिली विलांटी like this, it's called ni. Its word is nima. Now draw P. First draw P, vertical line, horizontal line join to the big vertical line, it's called P. Now let's draw पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी like that, it's called P. Its word is pino. Now next letter is Phi. First draw big vertical line, small vertical, horizontal, again downside vertical line, it's called Pho. Now let's draw पहिली विलांटी or ह्रस्व विलांटी like this, it's called Phi and its word is phin. Now let's draw B. First draw big vertical line in the middle, draw big half circle. Inside there is a big slanting line, and पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी, it's called B and its word is bean. Next letter is B. First draw small circle join to vertical line and again take a turn and horizontal line join to big vertical line, it's called bh. Now draw पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी, it's like this, horizontal line on the top, its word is bhima. Next letter is me. First draw big vertical line, take a turn and horizontal line join to the big vertical line, it's called ma. And again पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी, it's called me, word is meena. Next letter is ye. First draw ya like this is called ya. Then पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, its word is naika. Next letter is re. First draw half circle and slanting line at the bottom, it's called ra. And पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी and horizontal line on the top, it's called re. Its word is rita. Now next letter is li. First draw two half circle like that and join with vertical line like this, it's called la. Now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called li. Its word is lila. Now let's draw V. First draw big half circle like this, join to big vertical line, it's called V. Now draw पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called V. Its word is Vishalo. Now next draw she. First draw circle, join to half circle and one slanting line at the bottom, and next to it big vertical line, it's called sh. And now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, it's called she. Its word is Shiva. Next letter is she. First draw p and slanting line in the middle of sh, it's called sh. Now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, it's called she. Word is bhashik. Now next letter is C. First draw half circle, slanting line at the bottom, at the middle, small horizontal line join to big vertical line, it's called S. Now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, it's called C. Its word is Sita. Next is a he. First draw small vertical line, join one yes and join to one more half S, it's called her. And now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called he and its word is mahila. Next letter is re. First draw small vertical line and join at the bottom two circles like this, it's called ra. Now पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called re. Its word is kalima. Next letter is kshi. First draw small circle, join S and at the end make a tail like this, and at the middle join horizontal line and join again a big vertical line, it's called sh. And now draw पहिली विलांटी or रस्व विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called kshi. Its word is kshiti. And now last letter is ni. You need to draw first j, you at the last make a tail like this, it's called nya. Now draw पहिली विलांटी like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called ni.